In today's class, let's simplify 0.002 times 0.5. Let's start by converting these decimals to fractions. To convert 0.002, since 0.002 is in 3 decimal places, we move the decimal point 3 places to the right-hand side. That is 1, 2, 3, which equals 2/1000. Also, to convert 0.5, since 0.5 is in 1 decimal place, we move the decimal point 1 place to the right. That is 1, which equals 5/10. Multiplying the fractions, 2/1000 times 5/10. 2 times 5 is equal to 10, and 1000 times 10 is equal to 10,000. Which equals 10/10,000. Let's simplify further by dividing the numerator and denominator by 10. 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1. 10,000 divided by 10 is equal to 1,000, which equals 1/1000. Let's convert 1/1000 to decimal. 1/1000 is the same as 1.0/1000. Since the denominator has 3 zeros, we move the decimal point 3 places to the left-hand side, which is 1, 2, 3. We add zeros to this space, which equals 0.001. So therefore, 0.002 times 0.5 without a calculator is equal to 0.001. So comment your questions, if any. And in this class, we have been able to learn how to identify numbers in 3 decimal places and 1 decimal place. We have also learned how to convert decimals to fractions and fraction to decimal. At your free time, attempt this practice question. Simplify 0.6 times 0.08 and comment your results. See you in our next class.